Guys, this is the place called the corridor here at Remera. This is how everything looks like before Christmas. So I was passing here to see what is the mood. This is how everything looks like. Here you can see. So this is one of the street, the special street where you can meet many people drunk, and you can see, and girls, boys. There is many different businesses, and it's near from the airport. Look here. Girls, boys. Look, this is the airport. You can see this fence here with the right. This is the airport, and this place here, it's around the airport. So I was taking this little tour to show you how it's looking, this place before Christmas. So I am turning around about. This is like a roundabout. So here they come to drink only tea, and they having chapati. It's tea mixed with ginger. That is strong tea. So this was the little tour about the corridor, the place which is somehow different from other places in Kigali. So see you guys, ciao, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Make me happy.